Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this video I'd like to present for you my products, and finally I'd like to show you how I created this render. So actually, as you can see here in the scene, I just here have a character and the clothes. You can see here, so Genesis 8 female is a character. Open it, I have just these two clothes, and I have actually nothing. Just I have here the camera, and this is like the option for environment is like default option. Okay, so let's change here to the camera and let's see it with NVIDIA AI. So actually here we don't have anything, and I'd like to show how to create something special using my products, Light for portrait and my presets. And in this video I'd like to show everything about my products and how to have finally a good result. Here we have this render without anything, just we have character and clothes. So here I go to my Daz Studio library, then light presets, then lights, then portrait light, and I just click apply the lights. You can see the difference between the render and the lights. And light give you so many directions that you can change the directions, change the angles of the light to adapt the light with the pose that you use. So here we have just like simple pose, just you can change. So here we have different angles, can change, and this is really useful when you change the position. So you can change here to get every time another angle of the light. So actually, after you choose your angle, choose your light angle, all you have to do now is to apply one of my presets. And here I have my products, actually the light and the presets. And actually now you just need to apply one of these presets. And here I have some examples, the render preset. You can see that the presets give realism, give soul to your render. And for example, on this example, I apply one of my presets, and this is the result. And this is another example. This is another preset. Every time you can choose the preset that you like, optimize it with your render, with your skin, with your character skin. And this is actually my products. A light, as I show you, a light with different angles, and a presets here. And here another examples. I hope you enjoy watching. So actually, if you like my products, you can get it from the link in the description, or from the top of the video. You can click and go directly to my coffee shop and you can get it. So this is a quick video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like to see more examples, please visit my gallery in Coffee. You can click in the link in the description and you can see so many examples that I just use my light and my presets to get these results. And I don't know, for me it looked great. I don't know for you, but finally this pretext is for portrait and this really give good results. So I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy rendering. If you have any question, please comment. See you in the next video. Ciao.